Hi, in this video, we shall see what is a full adder, block diagram, truth table and logic diagram of a full adder. So what is a full adder? A full adder is a combinational circuit which adds three 1-bit binary numbers, that is two inputs A comma B, and the third input is the carry generated from lower position addition. We'll call that as C in, that is carry input, and it produces two outputs, sum and carry. Since there are two carries, that is one of the carry is input to the full adder and one carry is output, we'll represent the output carry as C out. So using the definition of full adder, let me draw its block diagram. So if I call this block as full adder will have three inputs A, B and C in, and two outputs, sum and C out. So this is your block diagram. Now we'll write the truth table of a full adder. Since there are three inputs to the full adder, n is 3. So when n is 3, we know we'll have 2 power 3, that is 8 input combinations. So inputs are A, B, C in, and outputs are sum and C out. I'll write down the 8 input combinations. Now let us determine what is the sum and C out for each of the combination. When the input is 0, 0, 0, sum is 0 and C out is 0. When the input is 0, 0, 1, sum is 1 and C out is 0. When the input is 0, 1, 0, sum is 1 and C out is 0. When the input is 0, 1, 1, sum is 0 and C out is 1. When the input is 1, 0, 0, sum is 1, C out is 0. When the input is 1, 0, 1, sum is 0, C out is 1. When the input is 1, 1, 0, sum is 0, C out is 1. When the input is 1, 1, 1, sum is 1 and C out is also 1. So this is your truth table of a full adder. Now to draw the logic diagram, I have to find out the expression for sum and C out. Let me draw the K-map for sum and C out and simplify it. So this is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. See, I cannot form an octet or a quad or a pair. I have to group them as singles. So sum will be A B bar C in bar or A bar B bar C in or A B C in or A bar B C in bar. Now we can further simplify this. Let me take out C in bar common from this term and this term. So I'll be left with and let me take out C in common from this term and this term. I'll be left with AB or A bar B bar. So the terms inside the bracket can be further reduced to C in bar A XOR B or C in A XNOR B. So XNOR B is nothing but not of A XOR B. So if I look at this expression, this can be further simplified as A XOR B XOR C. So this is your expression for sum. Let us find out the expression for carry now. That is C out. I can group these ones as pair. So C out will be AB or BC in or A C in. We now know the expression for sum and C out. So I can draw the logic diagram of a full adder. Sum is A XOR B XOR C in and carry, that is C out, is AB or BC in or AC in. So I'll have 3 input lines. So this is your sum. I have A XOR B here and C in here. The sum will be A XOR B XOR C in, and for carry it will be this will be C out. So this is AB, this is BC in, and this is AC in. So C out is, we will see how we can realize a full adder using half adder in the next video. Thank you.